Exceptional results come from chef-inspired design. Treat yourself and your family to the precision-engineered culinary experience of the Performance Grill from NewAge Products. The NewAge Performance Grill offers incredible value and the premium features expert grillers look for. Your grilling experience begins with the turn of the soft-touch control knobs and the instant lighting response of a battery pulse ignition system, built to respond as quickly on the 1000th light up as on the first. Stainless steel tube burners roar to life, each delivering up to 12,000 BTUs of even heat across the massive grilling space. The double-walled stainless steel lid feels substantial in your hand. The contoured design of the lid helps circulate convective heat around the cooking area before exhausting it from the rear. Shielded flame tamers ensure that heat is evenly distributed throughout the grill, while vaporizing food drippings into flavor-enhancing smoke and reducing flare-ups. Our 40-inch grill includes a 12,000 BTU infrared sear burner that lets you command thicker cuts of meat like a pro, sealing in juices and flavor. Easier to clean and lasting longer than cast iron grates, our extra thick 6mm stainless steel cooking grates make sure your meals deliver those classic grill marks every time. And with ample space on the elevated warming rack for toasting or controlling delicate foods, you'll always be ready to cook for a crowd. When things cool down, cleanup is quick and easy with the removable grease tray. Like all NewAge grills, the Performance Grill is precision engineered to fit with any of our outdoor kitchen systems, so you can make it the centerpiece of your backyard oasis. The Performance Grill from NewAge Products is your recipe for outdoor cooking excellence.